Blessings family. This is your goddess, Veronica McCormack, aka V.Beauty, the goddess of healing beauty. And I am here today with my videographer, photographer, Alexander Cole, that is. And we just received this amazing priority mail from none other than Glynn Jackson. So we're going to open it together to see what Godfather has in store for us this time. As you know, he's always full of surprises.
Okay.
Let's see what Godfather got in store for us this time. Okay, he got two cards.
Veronica and Alex.
Veronica and Alex. Okay, and on the back it says love. Okay. I don't know what this is, but I have an idea, but Godfather is always full of surprises. That's why he's Godfather. Keep believing in you. Veronica, thank you. I know I do. Oh. Guys, this is so heartwarming for me because one, it says keep believing in you. I've known this man since 2002 and I had nothing, and this is so inspiring and encouraging for him to push me to continue to believe in myself, as well as him letting me know that he also believes in everything that I do. And so, thank you. Oh, wow. Sent me this check for $500.
Wow, God is good.
Thank you so much, Glynn. It really shows that, you know, when you value others, they reciprocate it and they value you right back. And I'm just so grateful and honored to receive this blessing, this token of appreciation. I'm just so grateful and honored.
Okay, I will open mine.
Oh gosh.
Both the same color envelopes. So mine also says, keep believing in you. And this means a lot to me because one of the things that I've had to remember is that, you know, the mark of an artist is not doing art for the sake of monetary gain, but doing art because
you love it.
Because you love it, and because it brings you joy, and because it allows you to express how you see the world and allows you to interact with people. I also have a check the same amount. And, you know, thank you so much, Glynn. This is truly wonderful and very, very helpful, and thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm just, oh gosh, I'm so stumped and speechless. I don't even know. I just say thank you. I'm just overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. Just like Alex said, if I didn't have bills to pay, if I didn't have a family, I would literally do this for free. I love to create. I love what I do. So you guys look out for the DC, Glynn Jackson, the agency team. V.Beauty and Alex were in the building. All right. Peace, love, and light. And thank you so much, Glynn. Oh my God. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.